Everyone, my name is Anand Kumar Jha and you are watching Code with Anand. In this video, we are going to talk about how to use the image in the Salesforce org. In the previous video, we talked about how to upload the image in the Salesforce org, but we didn't see that how to use them. So in this video, we are going to use them, and with the help of this example, we are going to also understand that the how to use the formula fields in Salesforce org with the one more example. So let's see that how we can do that. Just come to, we are going to use our formula field in our teacher objects, like here you can see that in the when we are going to create the teacher object, there is one more field like monthly salary. So when we are going to use that, the Salesforce image means when teacher's monthly salary is less than 50,000, then it is going to give the rating as a 4 star. So we are going to add one rating for field, and when the salary is more than 50,000, then it is going to give the 5 star, because we uploaded two image, 4 star and 5 star. So for that, let's see that how to do that. So just click on the setup and go to the custom fields, and we are working on the account object. So first we teacher object. So first we need to open our teacher object, teacher one object. So just click on object manager and search teacher object from here in quick find box. So our teacher object is available here. Click open in the new tab, or you can use it here anyways, it's all okay. So our teacher object is available. Now click on the field and relationship, because we are going to create one formula field as a rating, which is going to in that we are going to use our image object. So just click on new and select formula fields, and as you know that the formula fields is read only fields, we can't change them and edit them. So just select it here. It's all depends on the other fields totally, and its value change according to them. So I'm just going to give them as a teacher rating, and its field name is will automatically selected, and then we are going to use as a image. So first we need our image from here, from static resources. So just click on setup, then we need to go to the, okay, we are on the setup. So just click on home, and in the quick find box just click on static resources, because our all the images and other files are available here. So just come here and just click on 5 star, because we are going to use this first, and click on view file. Through this you will get the URL of this image. So we are going to copy that URL, and just copy it, and just click on here, like in teacher object we are going to use that URL, and the URL means image is in the form of URL. For that we are going to select text, text as a data type, our data type, and after that we just need to click on okay. Then we have to create one more formula fields there, and that through that formula field we are going to show our object. So here, oh, sorry for that. And here you can write your formula fields. There are two types, like a simple and advanced. It depends on you that the which fields you are going to, which interface you are going to use that. It's totally fine. So just click on here. I'm going to use as advanced fields, and I'm going to use if functions, because we are using conditional fields, like if the monthly salary is less and more. So first we need to select as if, and the if condition, and then just insert if condition here. And then in the logical test we need to use first monthly salary. So monthly salary should be insert from here, insert fields. So just click on here teacher object, and then select the monthly salary. Then the API name is automatically selected with C. Then click on insert. Our monthly salary is greater than 50,000. Okay, then it needs to show here our image. Which image? 4 star image. So just select, just click on true, just select this field, and we are going to insert our image field. So just click on image and insert the fields here. So our image is available here. Now you need to put your image URL as given here, and then the alternate text if you want to give that. So just I am going to copy this URL and then paste it the URL in the image section. So our image is available here for better understanding. Or interface. I just use that here, so it's okay to understand that what is going on here. And just select the alternate text, and I'm going to give alternate text as a image loading. You can give anything. I'm just giving as a image loading, so just give here image loading, and that's fine, totally fine. Oh, I forget that it should be on the single quotes here, so just give a single quotes here. Okay, now there is one more condition, that if salary is less than 50,000, then what should we do? So for that, we just here select this, and again use the field like if salary is less than 50,000. So select if, and salary is less than 50,000. Here you need to just click on your monthly salary, insert the field from here, select monthly salary and insert it here, and monthly salary is less than 50,000. Then you need to put the one more image here, which is 4 star. So for that, just click on image, insert image, and we are going to give the 4 star image here. So just click on static resource, and same process, do that again. To get the URL of that, just click on 4 star, then view files, and you will get the URL of that 4 star image. So just click on here 4 star, and we will get the URL, and come to here and paste the URL here in the image URL section under the single quotes. That's fine. And for the better understanding, you can understand it. It's totally easy. And just remove that fields, and here you can give that image loading. Image loading, it's better. And in the, if there is a no condition, means default fields, so you just need to here uh, but it's not needed, because we are using only two fields, like if the salary is greater than or less than. But if you are using three conditions, like a greater than, less than, or equal to, then we can use that default field. But we can use here, just give here no rating, and after that you can check the condition, like our formula field is working or not fine. So just click on here, and you will get that no syntax error. Okay, and then just click on next. So our formula field is totally ready, and select the field level security, and then click on next and save. So our field is ready. Now let's move to the about what should I say, our org on teacher object. Just refresh it, because whenever we changes anything to our org, it needs to be refreshed. So just click on here on teacher object, and we are going to create new object for teacher. What should be the teacher name? I am going to give the name as Asank, and the teacher name should be @gmail.com, and the country should be India, state should be, what did I say? No, state should be Patna. I gave the Patna state as it's my default. Bihar, and the teacher is uh, subject math and science, and going to give monthly salary as a 1,100,000. So let's say that there should be the 5 star image in the rating field. So just going to save it, and you will see that there is one rating field automatically came like a 5 star, because the salary is more than 1 lakh. And if you want to give the salary as less than 50,000, then just click on here on the Alok Jha, and because salary is more than 50,000, so it's 5 star, and I am going to give the salary as 48,000. Okay, so it will automatically give us 4 star image. It will take little bit time because of internet connectivity. So you will get see that this is the use of the image in the Salesforce org, and the formula field. It's awesome. And yeah, continue and continue your learning. And if you get any difficulties, just contact me on the Telegram and the email, on Instagram, anywhere you can contact that. So that's fine. For now it's enough, and I'm going to make new videos for the formula fields example. So stay tuned and thank you everyone.